So we are going to open unboxing to Lenovo Tablet P12 with Metta display. This is the new one and this is the new arrival, you know. This is the new model in Lenovo family. So we have here all things like here 12.7 paper like Metta display, and here also good things, JBL speaker included, Octa-Core processor and long battery life. So when you use long time, so it's don't worry about this battery. And there is supported one fan also, and we have with one case. Okay, so let's start to unbox. Look bro, here. So this one is 3K supported also. We going to unboxing. Today is 15 August in our Independence Day. So they are launching Lenovo Tablet P12. So this is our main piece tablet. Okay, I will just put it here. And inside the box, what is this inside? There is pen included. There is Type-C charging, so you can charge any charger, no problem. And just put it with the tablet. There also tablet extracting, so you, if there is something happen, so you can change this one. This is the good things from Lenovo. Thank you for Lenovo to thinking about these things. And there is also quick guide, and there is a SIM ejector and looks. Lenovo did not compare anything, so they will give you best things. So there is quick guide also, you can read. We cannot read these things. I know about these things. So okay. And here cable, one cable, this is the, and there also adapter. I'll show you adapter. This is the adapter, the USB and Type-C adapter, so you can use any phone, any tablet, so don't worry about these things. And we have here case is here, so I will open it. Now give me the knife. Unboxing. Yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
Amazing, right? So you can put the tablet here like this.
Amazing Lenovo.
And here also one space for pen. Look, looking nice. Here, so we need to set up offline, right? We need, this is the one. So there is color. Which color, bro? Is this one? It's gray and good looking. Look, the camera, and also there is finishings, metal finishing, and Dolby Atmos also. There is very good sound quality in with the JBL speaker, you know bro. And we are starting next. No need Wi-Fi, otherwise we can use Wi-Fi, or we can set up offline. Continue. Okay, accepted all things. Next, no need, skip the screen locks. And okay, this one is good thinking. And look, get start, welcome, get start. So this is our Metta display. Look, the display quality here, brightness, sound, you can check everything, and smooth, too much smooth. And here we can check the tablet status. MediaTek Diamond processor also, and 8GB RAM. Look, you can play with the game this tablet. 8GB RAM, 128GB capacity, so you can use easily. And thank you for watching my channel.